Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change color of text in CapCut PC. If you want your titles to pop or match your video's vibe perfectly, this is a quick, reliable way to do it without getting lost in menus. Changing text color is one of the easiest ways to improve the look of your videos. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, tutorials, or promotional videos, the right text color can help your message stand out and make your edits feel more professional. Start by looking down at your timeline and selecting your text box clip. Click directly on it so it's clearly highlighted. This tells CapCut exactly which text you intend to modify, and it ensures every change you make shows up right away in the preview. Before changing any settings, always make sure the correct text layer is selected. If you have multiple text clips in your timeline, editing the wrong layer can make it seem like the color option is not working. With the clip selected, move your eyes to the top right of the screen and find the Properties window. Make sure you're in the Text category, and specifically on the Basic tab. That's the home base for Essential Text Controls. This section contains the main customization options for your text, including font style, size, alignment, spacing, and color. Once you know where these controls are located, adjusting text becomes much faster in future projects. Now, in that same panel, scroll through the text options until you reach the font size controls. This is a handy landmark. Right next to the text size slider, you'll notice a small square color block. That square is your gateway to CapCut's full color controls. The color block is easy to miss because it looks like a small setting, but it gives you access to the complete text color selection area, where you can quickly change the appearance of your titles. Click the color block to open the color panel. A palette of color circles will pop up. Each tile represents a ready-to-use color. Simply click any color tile, maybe a bright yellow for energy, a strong red for urgency, or a soft pastel to match a calmer look, and watch your text update instantly in the preview window. Try choosing colors based on your video's mood. For example, bright colors can work well for energetic tutorials or gaming videos, while softer tones may fit lifestyle, educational, or cinematic content better. This live feedback makes it easy to test a few options and pick the one that feels right for your footage. A good practice is to compare your text color against the background of your video. A color that looks great on one clip may not be easy to read on another, so always check how it appears in the actual scene. If the change doesn't look like much, check that your text clip is still selected and you're on the correct tab. Sometimes, small editing mistakes happen because the wrong layer is selected or a different menu is open. Quickly checking these two things usually fixes the problem. If you want to push readability even further, take a look just below the color grid. You'll see pre-made style templates. These are designed to add high-contrast outlines or simple background shapes that sit behind your text. These style options are especially useful when your video background has lots of movement, bright colors, or detailed visuals. They help separate your text from the background, so viewers can read your message clearly. One click applies a clean, bold treatment that helps your colored text stand out against busy scenes or bright footage. It's a fast way to get a professional, legible title without fiddling with multiple settings. This is a great shortcut when you need a polished look quickly. Instead of manually adjusting outlines, shadows, and backgrounds separately, these templates give you a ready-made starting point that you can customize further if needed. That's really all there is to it. Click the text clip in your timeline, confirm you're in text, and on the Basic tab, open the color block next to the size slider. Choose a color, and if you need extra clarity, apply one of the style templates below the palette. Instant color adjustments and a crisp outline in just a couple of clicks. You're all set. Done. Now you can quickly customize your CapCut text colors and create titles that match your brand, style, or video theme. Small changes like this can make your videos look more consistent and professional without adding extra editing time.